Today it is the right time to seize Pakistan occupied Kashmir and merge it with the rest of the Union of India.
The Congress party is approaching other opposition parties to write a joint letter seeking a special parliament session to discuss the Pahalgam attack and the future steps the government is planning to take, sources told the Indian Express on Sunday. In a deadly terrorist attack on Tuesday in Pahalgam, 26 people, mostly tourists, were killed in a marquee tourist spot in Jammu and Kashmir. The letter is being drafted by the Congress and the party leadership is already in consultation with other opposition leaders over the matter. It is likely to be sent by today evening or tomorrow, a source said. The demand for a special session assumes significance as all opposition parties have supported the union government's actions since the terrorist attack in Jammu and Kashmir last week. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi had declared that the opposition would be supporting any action that the centre takes over the matter. However, in the all-party meeting chaired by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on Thursday, several opposition leaders, Congress President and Leader of the Opposition in Rajya Sabha Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi, TMC Sudeep Bandyopadhyay and Aam Aadmi Party Sanjay Singh had questioned the government, saying the attack pointed to lapses in security and intelligence.
In an all-party meeting, which was initially demanded by the Congress party, we had said that we will support the government in all its efforts against the Pakistani administration and government. Also, we had made an additional request that there has been some intelligence and security lapses in Pahalgam. Now, the people who have lost a loved one in Pahalgam, they need justice. There has to be accountability.
Of course, we will raise some questions which has to be answered by the government. But still we are telling that we are with government in this situation to finish this cross-border terrorism. It is very sure that Pakistan is behind it. In our CW resolution, we directly mentioned it also. The government should take steps. Entire opposition is ready to support them.
Sources have said that the central government during the meeting had admitted to the lapses. A top leader from the government was quoted as saying in the meeting, quote unquote, "If nothing had gone wrong, why would we be sitting here? There have been lapses somewhere that we have to find out and we want to fix them for the future." In fact, it was in the all-party meeting that the demand for a special parliament session was first spoken about by Indian Union Muslim League representative and Rajya Sabha MP Haris Biran. Sources said a session would be an opportunity for the parties to show that the country is united against terrorism and raise relevant questions to seek accountability while the government can explain its position. This comes days after Prime Minister Modi on Thursday promised retribution and said India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backers and would pursue them to the ends of the earth.
जिस बेरहमी से मारा है उससे पूरा देश व्यथित है। कोटि कोटि देशवासी दुखी हैं। सभी पीड़ित परिवारों के इस दुख में पूरा देश उनके साथ खड़ा है। हमारा आक्रोश एक जैसा है। ये हमला सिर्फ निहत्थे पर्यटकों पर नहीं हुआ है। देश के दुश्मनों ने भारत की आत्मा पर हमला करने का दुस्साहस किया है। मैं बहुत स्पष्ट शब्दों में कहना चाहता हूं, जिन्होंने ये हमला किया है उन आतंकियों को और इस हमले की साजिश रचने वालों को उनकी कल्पना से भी बड़ी सजा मिलेगी।